Hello. Today let's talk about 1 month long-term review of my Apple iPhone 17 Pro. The iPhone 17 Pro, it's been 1 full month since I unboxed that device. And in some areas, it's changed massively, of course, in my choice. But I think it's one of the greatest iPhones I ever had. Because let's start with the design and the feel. The exterior. The new titanium plus finish is stunning to look at. But how does it hold up after a month of pricing? Well, of course. The frame I'm worried about haven't materialized. However, the weight is noticeable due to the large battery size, of course. But it's a Pro model and brings a lot of joy to us. And I think the blue finish is really nice. At the beginning, I was a little bit skeptical, but now I say thumb up for the blue version of it. The orange version, of course, this is my breaking. Hey, boy, but I was not ready for orange iPhone, of course. So design, it's a different design than before as the other iPhones on the market. So design plus, really nice. And it's not the plus, it's an ultra. Pro model, of course. The display. Apple calls it Super Retina XDR promotion display. The true new element is the, of course, always-on display, which is finally truly smart and dynamic. No black and white flickering anymore, but a smart reduction of brightness while retaining the color. After a month, I have to say, but maybe it will be patched away out of the system. It is a little bit shaking if I am going into the system. It's not smooth anymore. That is not so good. But maybe it will be fixed by Apple in a patch in a few days or month, of course. Then the performance. The A19 Bionic chip was fast from day one, of course. But a months-long test shows whether that the power remains stable, of course. Yes, it pushed the limits with 4K video editing, heavy-duty gaming, and multiple tasks. Zero stuttering. Only the stuttering if I unlock the device. But this is a software-based thing, I think, okay? Of course, it will be constantly getting 9 hours of screen time on, no prop for the machine. Then let's go to the camera system. The cameras, there are 3 big additions. The 5x optical zoom, the new nearly 50 megapixel main sensor, and the cinematic mode, of course, makes a good job. But I think the bad thing there is the selfie camera, of course, because the quality gains a lot. Of course, we have a super zoom on the main camera, but the selfie camera gives us a good resolution and a good quality jump with that new iPhone season. The software, we are running the iPhone on the latest iOS version. The biggest highlight that is truly useful in daily use, of course. It improved the lock screen widgets and focus mode plus, for example, and so on. But the stuttering is not so nice, I think. But the glass is good. The glass finish looks really nice in the new operation system. Let's jump to the quick pros and contras. Based on the 30 days of usage, for example, the fantastic battery life is really good, We have a smart always-on display, a noticeable heavier than the predecessors, of course. Maybe this is a minus point. The camera AI tends to over-sharpen the low-light zoom shots, and if I use HDR shots to edit them and upload them to YouTube, for example, the AI is not so good. But maybe it will be fixed soon. So, the iPhone 17 Pro is more than just an incremental update. It's an endurance upgrade. The battery, the stabilization with the A19 chip, and the video performance make it one of the best Pro models Apple has been launched in years. If you own an iPhone 15 Pro, an upgrade is probably not essential, of course. But for anyone with an older one, which you need in battery life, video quality, and a future-proof design upgrade, the iPhone 17 Pro gets a clear bar recognition, of course. But the others, no thanks. So what you are experiencing there, let me know this in the comments below. And of course, thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback. And I hope to see you again on my channel. Sun sun.